Halo semua, apa kabar? Semoga semua baik-baik aja ya. Nah, siang gini saya mau kerjain anak guys. Tuh lihat ya, di belakang saya lagi bobo siang. Nah, di sini saya sudah siapin tattoo. Ini adalah temporary tattoo yang sangat lucu dan dia kasihan lagi tepar. Saya mau prank. Yay, best friends. Oke guys, jadi kita langsung aja. Dia pas bangun, aku mau dia kira ini tattoo beneran. Jadi nanti semoga ya, semoga bisa dapet konten ini bagus. Yuk kita langsung aja. Dia tadi habis belajar, dia masih kuliah kan di Rusia, dan itu online class. Itu tepar dia kasihan. Satu ini, dan yang ini Rock Me Heart guys, lucu juga kan? Tattoonya. Kita potong dulu yuk. Oke. Jadi di sini ada dua tato. Satu di kaki, satu di tangan. Oke. Yang ini yang rock di kaki sini. Shh.
cannot work. Oh, do my. Oh, it's so ugly.
It's so beautiful. Ocean
I look like my grandpa. What is this? No, what I will tell to my parents?
It's not so red. It's okay. Do you like it or no?
No.
I have more.
What are you doing? What I will tell
It's
to
so
my parents?
good. Wait on this one. I didn't finish yet.
No.
Wait.
Tina, I was so scared. What are you doing?
What do you mean?
It's not real. It cannot. I cannot. How I will do my model career?
Can you imagine?
Models
Nah.
cannot have tattoo. What are you doing? No, Tina.
You ruined my tattoo.
What is this?
Guys, I tried to prank her so bad and the tattoo come out.
Never do it again. It's so
I'm
bad.
sorry, Anna. But you were sleeping so peaceful and I say I need to prank her. You break the ocean lava.
It really looks like our grandpa's head.
Yeah, in Romania, in Eastern Europe, grandparents have tattoos like this. But she broke it, guys. Korusakin tattoonya bagus banget, tada.
Bagus banget. Gimana bagus banget?
Ya, itu sebenarnya maaf ya, Ana ya. I love you. We're here not yet. Let me finish my work. We make her a roti. Maaf. Did you sleep good? This is written rock me
I
hard.
fall asleep.
We're learning, yeah. And I'm a very good friend and I need to help you to have a little bit of holiday from your school. So I thought a tattoo will cheer you up. Nah, very good. You can send a photo to your parents now in Russia to say I got a tattoo. Yeah. Are you see?
Rock me hard.
But this is good to prank your parents too. This one, let me take photo of this. Iya kan, kelihatan asli banget ya. Nanti kirim ke orang tuanya ke Rusia juga tuh. Ini aku udah punya tattoo 2. I'm sorry.
So I was so scared. I was like, what's going on? Sleeping, it's so itchy. I'm like, oh. Yeah.
I'm sorry. So it was a good video ya? Tolong say hi. Okay, Anna. I'm sorry for pranking you guys.
As long
Ini
as it's not
lumayan
real,
ya
it's okay.
pranknya. Ini lumayan pranknya. Semoga suka videonya. Nanti kalau video ini bagus dan banyak views, saya akan prank Ana lagi. I'm sorry, Ana. Oke guys, jangan lupa Ana juga punya YouTube channel dan Instagram account Ana Vitkovskaya. Saya juga ada di Instagram Batina Bule Official. Dan semoga suka. Jangan lupa komen, subscribe, dan like. Bye guys!
Bye-bye.